Okay, so we're gonna make some guac today. It's a very simple and traditional recipe. Pretty much avocado, very small amount of tomato, onions, and serrano. So this is very important when making guac. People like to use jalapenos for guac. Jalapenos, they don't have taste if you eat them raw. Jalapenos are better if you cook with them. If you roast them or if you grill them, they develop a lot of flavors. But when they're raw, they just like a spicy bell pepper, so there's not a lot of flavor in it. Serranos, they have tons of flavor. Like they're more floral, they're a little bit of acid. So this is the best pepper you making like raw salsas.
Yeah, I love serrano peppers, yes. So it works.
And they're becoming very common here in Canada. So most of the main grocery shops, they carry them now. Lime. You don't need a lot of lime juice for this. If you add too much lime, you're actually gonna kill all the nice flavor in the avocado. So once we add the lime, some salt. So be generous with the salt because you're actually adding a lot of tomatoes and other vegetables to it, so the salt level will be down. Fresh pepper. Then we're gonna start smashing them. So you don't need a lot of liquid. There you go. We're just gonna add all our nice vegetables. There you go. So if you want to use it a day, like for the next day, the easiest way and the way we discovered in restaurants, because we had to do it ahead of time and then it started turning black, you know? So if you put it in a 1 liter container and you let like an inch on the top without guac, you add water to it and you put it in the fridge, the water will create a seal so air will not come in and the guac will not turn to brown. The next morning, just drop the water out, mix it back, and that's it.
Cool.